Another ambush, I bet. Where are they hiding?
What in the... Force? Whoa! This isn't the Force! Oof! What was that?
Where in the galaxy am I? Is that a castle?
A disturbance in the magical currents.
No droids, no stormtroopers, just bricks.
Greetings, young man.
Hello? Where is this place? Welcome to Hogwarts! Hogwarts? Is that a school?
Here, we harness magic. Like the Force, but different.
Wow, what's that?
It's a lightsaber.
Meet our new exchange student.
Hi, everyone.
It's all in the wrist.
I usually just push. You almost had it.
It's harder without a wand.
This explained the theory.
So magic isn't just midi-chlorians?
Watch this, Luke! I think the Force is helping mine.
Your force is most intriguing.
It helps me see without seeing.
This is harder than flying an X-Wing. Patience, young Skywalker.
Where are we, TK-421? This is not Sector 7.
These are not the droids we're looking for.
No, sir.
Or any droids.
I sense a disturbance.
Is it a bad omen?
Oops. Sorry, Harry. Beauty. How did you do that so fast?
It's the Force, Harry.
This door is stuck. Maybe it needs a code? That feeling again!
What feeling, Luke?
What was that creature?
Not in Imperial records, sir.
Focus your intent, Luke. Ow. Ow. That tickles.
Aha! This I know.
Indeed, a clever adaptation.
What was that noise? Sounded like metal boots.
What was that noise?
Sounded like metal boots.
Hold it right there.
Ready? As we'll ever be.
I knew it. Trouble.
Don't move, unknowns.
Stupefy.
Protego. Hey! Leave them alone!
It's the Jedi. Blast him! try that Wingardium spell.
On what?
The gargoyle!
Wingardium Leviosa. What in the Emperor's name? Now! Ugh! My helmet!
That was brilliant! Teamwork! And a bit of force! They had laser guns!
Most unusual visitors indeed.
They seem...
Disoriented.
They're probably looking for me.
Both are powerful energies.
So, I can mix them?
Force-infused Confundo!
Remarkable, Luke!
Mine just tickled the target! It takes practice!
The portal seems to stabilize.
So I can go home?
Your path is yours to choose.
I've learned so much here. We'll miss him.
He's not bad for a non-magic user.
Farewell, young Skywalker.
Thank you, my friends. Come back and visit, Luke.
May the Force be with you, Professor.
And may your light shine bright.
Home. Finally. I guess some magic stayed with me.
A most unusual, yet wise Jedi.
He left us a piece of his ship! A token of friendship.
Those armored individuals were quite the puzzle.
Indeed, Minerva. A lesson in the unknown.
Wonder if we'll ever see him again?
Force and magic. Combine.